Is your house not selling? Here's exactly what I did to get my house to move on so that I could move out and put my house into a new loving family. Hi, I'm Fiona Robertson. I am a body whisperer, helping you find your practical magic that's at your fingertips, finding the answers to your questions. I want to share with you today the 3 things that I did to help me move my house on the market. My house had been on the market for 2 years. I knew exactly what I wanted to earn from my house. I had found all the words. I knew exactly where I wanted to move, but my house was just not selling. Wasn't shifting an inch. I had family after family, partner, couples after couples coming in, looking at the house going, oh, it's a bit dark. Oh, I'd probably move that wall and I'd do this and I'd do that. And nothing, then they wouldn't make an offer, nothing would happen. I was like, well, we've got plenty of people looking around my house, but nobody's buying it. What's going on? How can I change this scenario? I decided that I would talk to my house. I would just talk to it and just say, what's going on? And I could feel in my whole house it had been such a great place for me to come and to raise my boys as a single mum. I was very grateful to this house. But I was like, oh my God, I never told my house how grateful I was for the time that we spent together, the time that we created this little family in this house, and how she protected us. It was somewhere for the boys to come home from school. I was like, oh right, yeah, I get it. I get it. She has been part of our family. She's part of us, of course. She doesn't want us to move out and have somebody knocking this wall down and doing everything. I could feel it every single time somebody says, oh, yeah, we'll knock that wall down and we'll move these windows. And I was like, oh no, she's been such a great house to us. So I said to my house, thank you. You've been absolutely amazing. I really appreciate you, what you've done, and created this great space for me to raise my boys and get to know my boys and have some fun and do silly stuff and have their friends over and have our friends over and have parties and just, good stuff that a house provides for you. And then I changed what I wanted for my house. I said, you know what? I said, I want someone else to walk in this house and love you the way that I loved you when I first walked over your threshold. I knew this was somewhere safe and cozy and warm and nesty that I could make for myself and my boys. I want someone to feel exactly the same way as I felt. Oh, and I felt it in my heart. I was like, oh, that's awesome. I want someone to care for your garden. I want someone to keep you warm. Open the windows, have plants, enjoy their time in this house the same as I have. And I built 2 studios underneath the house in the garage, great big garage underneath the house, same square meters as above. So I had 2 studios where people used to come and stay with me for doing retreats and bookings.com, those kind of things. Like, oh, I want someone to love you as much as I've loved you. That weekend, a family came and they bought my house. And they're still there, and I still meet them in the supermarket and they go, oh, we love your house. That is practical magic. That is how you move your house out of where you are so that you can move forward and your house is still happy. It's not something to just make you money and knock this about and all the rest of it. What does your house want? What kind of experience does it want to have that you want to leave with it? The reason that you found that house in the first place was not a coincidence. It called you. I have created a practical magic incubator so that you can have your questions answered. You can tune into your intuition. You can tune into your house. You can find out the things that you need to be doing to ignite your intuition. Get ready to be spiritually assisted. This is the place where you will ignite your intuition, where you'll have those conversations with all the things that matter in your life so that you can turn those round in a heartbeat. This is living spiritually. This is practical magic. magic at your fingertips. Say yes, and I will send you the link to join Practical Magic, a 30-day challenge to ignite your intuition.